All right, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about that run right there? Are we going to have another new leader?